Hello, good morning everyone. This is Murahari sir and you are watching my channel Sarojini Smart Learning. Thank you very much for your feedback and hope you are able to understand what all the topics we are discussing in the class. Okay, especially for the kids. Kids in the sense, not for the nursery or first. It is the kids for say, 3rd class, 4th class and 5th grade. So these students are enjoying. So I am getting feedback. Thank you very much for one and all who are watching and showing the videos to their kids. Okay, so for the last 5 months we are doing number of videos and every week, and you know that every week Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Okay, you are getting 3 videos. So unless you subscribe and press the bell button, you will not get the notifications to you. Okay, so hope you will do that one and share to your near and dear also. Okay, now coming to the point of our class. So for the last few episodes we are discussing about measurement. Okay, again in measurement there are 3 categories. One is that is liquids. Okay, milliliters we call or kiloliters we call. And the distance is kilometers or meters or centimeters we call. And the mass, that is weights, that is kilograms, grams, centigrams, like that. So among the 3 topics, I am dealing right now with length. So in that length, how to convert the length into meters to centimeters or centimeters to kilometers we did. And next, how to convert kilometers to centimeters or centimeters to millimeters. And after that, we did simple addition of numbers giving 2 different measurements. And also, we did subtraction and we did multiplication and division. Now what else? See, apart from these regular calculations, we have word problems. Okay, so you have to read the question, you have to understand it, then you have to solve it according to the requirement. So many students will get confused what to do, whether it is an addition sum or a subtraction sum or whatever it is. So here, what we are doing is, I am going to explain today 2 additions and 2 subtraction problems. So 4 problems that make you blown up. Okay, it shows very interesting and hope you will understand this topic. And you know the topic name is measurement, and we are dealing with word problems. Problems means which we have solution. Yeah. So in our episode, we'll get solution for those problems. Now let's see what the first question is. So this is my question on the board. If you observe the question carefully, you'll understand. Rani bought 3 pieces of ribbons. Okay, you know the ribbons. Okay, and she bought 3 pieces of ribbons measuring what? 1 meter 15 centimeter is the first ribbon. Second one, 3 meters 12 centimeters the second one. And 2 meter 18 centimeter is the third one length. It's long given. Okay, there are 3 ribbons whose measurements are different. Now what the question is, what length of the ribbon did she buy all together? All together means we have to add it. See, this is the addition symbol, you know that. We can call this as add or addition, or we can call plus, or we can call all together, or we can call total. Okay, so these are the different, also sum, S-U-M, sum. Whenever you come across these types of words in a question, think that that is completely based on addition problem only. Okay, so remember these things. And here, coming to question, so 3 measurements. So first ribbon, second ribbon, and third ribbon. Now we'll see the measurement. This is 1 meter 15 centimeter and 3 meters 12 centimeter, and third one is 2 meter 18 centimeter. So this is one way of writing, or as I told, you can write meter and centimeter on the top. Meter and this is centimeter. So simply adding 115, 312, 218. So 8 plus 2, 10 plus 5, 15. 1 here, 5 down. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. And 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 1, 6. So that means altogether she bought 6 meter 45 centimeters of ribbon. Who? Mr. Hari. So the question is, you read the question very well and understand it. So she bought 3 pieces from a shop or outside, and whose measurements are given 1 meter 15, 3 meters 12, 2 meters 18 long, and is asking what length of the ribbon did she buy altogether. Altogether she bought 6 meters 45 centimeters. Okay, right. So we'll check second question. Here is my second question. Just read the question carefully and understand. Anita bought 3 pieces of wire. Anita bought 3 pieces of wire for fencing, okay, of length 38 meters 14 centimeter, 102 meter 35 centimeters, and 85 meter 49 centimeter. So how much length of wire she bought altogether for fencing? Okay. Now here the question is, she bought a wire for what purpose? For fencing. It may be a garden, it may be a land, or it may be a house. So she bought these things. How? There are 3 measurements given. What are those? First wire is how much? 38 meters 14 centimeter, and second wire is 102 meters and 35 centimeters. Sorry, this is centimeter. And third wire will be given as 85 meter and 49 centimeter. So this is the measurements given. So you can directly add, or you can convert the meters and centimeters on the top, and also you can add. Now the question is, how much length of wire she bought altogether for fencing? That is the question. So now we'll check now. So centimeter will remain centimeter. So 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. 1 on the top, 8 at the bottom. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Okay. Now here the meters are common. So 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 1 and 5. Or 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 1 and 2. 1 plus 1, that is 2. So now total length of wire Anita bought is 225 meters and 98 centimeters. So in this way we have to calculate these things. Okay, is it clear?